Hello everyone, I am Shobika from batch 2 and this is my teammate SHAMILIPRIYA and MALINI over here. I am going to present on our project named Anti-Sleep Alarm for Drivers, which is based on IoT. And for the next slide, Shamli, move to the next slide.
I've turned over the next slide.
Okay. Okay. So here is the introduction of a project. Like our project aims at providing way for drivers, specifically who drives for long hours or drivers who feel drowsy or sleepy. This is an IoT based, which is Internet of Things based project, which is used to alert the drivers when driving the vehicle to avoid unnecessary accidents due to carelessness and even in the means of highways or etc. Next slide, please. So here is the literature survey for the first literature survey for our project, and this is completely based on IR sensor, which is a infrared sensor. This is accuracy rate of over 95%, and this involves the usage of many devices to accomplish the task. So we can consider it as a more manual and as well as the machine excessive use. Here it is used. Next slide, please. Here is the second review of our project, which is completely based on AI/ML model with the help of OpenCV VS Code. And this algorithm detects the driver drowsiness by comparing the real-time eye images with the pre-captured open and closed templates. And since it is an AI-based project, this may lack the exact or the positive accuracy. So this is completely AI dependent, which may lack so much of accuracy. Next slide, please. And here are the basic requirements, both in the side of hardware and the software. Here are the list out software requirements. And here are the main hardware requirements such as Arduino Uno board, which is beginner friendly, an eye-blink sensor, single channel 5-volt relay, which acts as a switch, and a buzzer, gear motor, and the power supply from the battery. Next slide, please. And this code will be run using the Arduino Uno board. Here is the block diagram about our project and the flow, how the data moves. Here is the eye blink sensor detection chart. If the eye blink is detected, the timer will be keep on resetting its time, and then continuous monitoring will be undergone. If the eye blink is not detected, it keeps on counting for the number of times. If it exceeds the threshold, then the eye blink is like not detected. And if it exceeds the threshold time, the alert will be sent to the driver and the moving vehicle will be slowly stopped. And here is the complete flow chart. Next slide.
So about the methodology. About the methodology, firstly, we have to detect the driver state. So we have to monitor the driver's activity if he is in a drowsiness state or he is in an active state. So this will be done by our sensors or the microcontrollers. We are using a IR sensor, which will be useful for that. Eye blink sensor will be helpful in detecting the state of the driver. And then we have to evaluate the drowsiness by using the data which we have preserved. We have to process these data. That is, we have a threshold value which have been set. If the particular value exceeds, then he will be evaluated as in a drowsy state. Otherwise, he will be in an active state. So then the relay comes in action. That is, the relay sends a signal. We have to the relay will send a signal to activate if the drowsiness is detected. And then as the relay sends a signal, the alarm will get activated and the alarm will start to ring, so that the driver will come to active state, so that the driver gets alerted. This is the basic methodology of a project. And about the circuit flow diagram, as already my friend said that these are the basic components which we are using in our project. So the battery will give the power supply to all other components. We are using Arduino Uno here for so that it is beginner friendly, and for our project which is specifically based on the detection of the state of the driver and the control of the relay. So it gives a basic requirements of for a project. Then the buzzer will produce as a sound, and the microcontroller acts as a heart of a project, and then the relay will send the signal based on the evaluated data, and the motor is used as the vehicle's wheel, and the eye-blink sensor is used to detect the state of the driver. And this is the output of a project. In the first picture, my teammate is opening her eyes so that the system will get the data as she is in an active state. If she closes her eye, it will detect the data as she is in drowsy state, so that the buzzer will start to ring and the motor will automatically start to slow down. So these are the references which we have used for our project, and thank you.